Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you the simple way to withdraw USDT to your bank account in just a few steps. First, make sure your Binance account is verified, then go to Wallet, Fiat and Support. Find USDT and tap Sell. Choose your local currency, enter the amount and confirm the trade. Your USDT will be converted into cash and added to your wallet. Next, go to Withdraw section. Select bank transfer and enter your bank details. Double check everything, confirm the amount, and complete the withdrawal. The money will arrive in your bank account within a few hours or a few days, depending on your bank. Alternatively, you can use Binance P2P. Move your USDT to the funding wallet. Choose a buyer, confirm the trade, and once you receive payment, release the crypto. Both methods are simple and secure. Choose the one that suits you best. Thanks for watching.